There's two possible remedies available to people to clean up their record, to prevent it from haunting people and following them for the rest of their life. One is an expunction, the other is an order of non-disclosure. Both are very valuable remedies. Getting an expunction granted, getting an order of non-disclosure granted is actually one of my favorite things to do as a criminal defense lawyer, because it basically takes what's been haunting that particular person throughout the last several years of their life and restoring them back to where they were before they were arrested. If your case has been dismissed, if it was possibly reduced to a Class C misdemeanor deferred that was successfully completed, if your case was no-billed by the grand jury, or if you received a not guilty, those are the normal circumstances where a person may be eligible to have their record expunged. So often people come into my office and they believe their case is off their record because maybe 5, 6, 8 years ago, when their attorney told them their case was dismissed, they heard in their brain that it was off their record. But nothing could be further from the truth. You have to follow up and have the expunction granted before it is totally removed from your record. Another possible remedy is the order of non-disclosure. An order of non-disclosure, while not quite as complete as an expunction, is something that's available to people who have completed certain deferred adjudication probations. Not all deferred adjudication probations are eligible, but many of them are. The deferreds that are successfully completed, a lot of those people will have the opportunity to come back later and file an order of non-disclosure, which basically says to the government, you cannot disclose this to the public. In essence, gives you the same result as an expunction. If you have had any prior experience where you believe you may be eligible for an expunction or an order of non-disclosure, please call my office. It won't take long for us just to speak with you about the facts of what happened, do a little bit of an investigation to see if you're eligible for one of these two important remedies.